And maybe like do something else. No. Something other than flossing. Other than dabbing. And no whip nays.
Have you done an upskirt shot?
Yep.
He's literally just I'm also going to be adding a little of my own special sauce. I'll let you in on that one later as the show goes on.
My special sauce. I don't view it. Myself. That's my chocolate. My
slurp juice. Right, do it again. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of my own special sauce.
Salt.
My own special sauce for this one. I figured I could really win the judges over with the flavouring of this sauce. Kind of salty.
Do that again, there's only one judge.
The salty surprise.
What does this actually say?
It says I'm also going to be adding a little something special, but we're going to... Okay.
I was filming all of that.
Just pop your toes down.
Your toes down.
Let us lubricate the working part.
Just put your trousers down on the table now, which makes sure everything's working.
Okay.
Come on, your trousers down. To be honest, I don't really care about this competition in any way. I don't.
Stop, you're really psyching me out.
No, no, your shoulders are now. Just stay there.
Just leave that.
No!
Yeah, go then.
If I can just go right on the behind the fence, guys sit in the background. Can you see the tree? Can you see me here?
Very little.
How much?
Like, inside your head and in here.
Why? I feel very uncomfortable. I feel very uncomfortable. What many people don't know is that I'm a hardcore vegetarian and I have been all my life. So I believe that meat is murder.
Bro, I'm sorry, I just got a big
tiptoe.
stomach
Just
strap.
tiptoe.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to keep my pace.
Go in front.
I need to walk back.
Line on me.
Right, you ready?
Line on me. Yeah, get back there.
I am hilarious. That's one of my best
Don't
traits.
walk that far back.
I take it. Did you just touch me?
I did.
No.
We go. We go home.
Oh.
Can I go home, please?
Oh, this is so nice.
I'm gonna loop that again.
I feel violated.
No, make a list of what's actually in this.
Okay, what else can we add?
Milk, beer, HB sauce, mayonnaise, sweet chili,
Ketchup.
flour. There's some puree. Oh, how's not dressing?
This is like the worst thing.
Paprika.
There's salt in it. We're just thicken the texture. Slurp it up.
Let's give it a cheeky. Oh, fuck.
It's the worst thing.
Right. That's worse.
Okay, you see there's a little bit on my finger?
Describe the flavour, describe the texture.
What's happening in your palate? Is it bad?
It's like a certain spice to it that gets the back of your throat. Just
Paprika.
it instantly like makes your gag throat. Drink up.
Oh, it just doesn't smell good.
Yes! Yes! What?
Such a bad video. Is it just shit?